Hello, everyone. So before we move on to the awards lunch ceremony, we'd just like to draw your attention to this event that is free for anyone who would like to attend this evening by one of the organizing committee members here in Detroit. So my name is Yolanda Leite.
And my name is Tony Maciejewski.
And on behalf of the IROS Awards Committee, we would like to welcome you to this year's awards lunch ceremony. So the IROS community has the tradition of recognizing awards for recognizing authors for their exceptional work in many areas of robotics, but also members of our community for their exceptional service. And that's why we need a full lunch hour to announce all the award finalists and winners. And we would like to start by inviting Professor Shigeki Sugano on stage to announce the IROS Harashima Award for Innovative Technologies.
So I will be presenting this on behalf of the awards committee that includes myself, Professor Shigeki Sugano, and Bill Hamill. So the first of the general IROS awards is the IROS Harashima Award for Innovative Technologies. And the purpose of this award is to honor Professor Fumio Harashima, the founding honorary chair of the IROS conference, by recognizing outstanding contributions of an individual of the IROS community who has pioneered activities in robotics and intelligent systems. And the selection is Dr. Matteo Cianchieri and the award is for contribution of fiber jamming as variable stiffness technology for soft robotic systems. Dr. Cianchieri cannot be here today, so we'll go ahead and make sure that he gets this certificate later. The next IROS award is the Distinguished Service Award. And this award is to recognize an individual who has performed outstanding service and leadership for the benefit and advancement of the IROS conference. And the award is given this year to Professor Paul O. for outstanding service and leadership in organizing the new IROS conference. So unfortunately, Paul's flight does not land for a couple of hours, and so we'll make sure we get this award to him later this evening. The next award is the IROS Toshio Fukuda Young Professional Award, and I would like to ask Fukuda-sensei to come on up and present the award. I'll read the purpose of this award is to recognize individuals who in their early career have made identifiable contributions that have had a major impact on intelligent robots and systems. You want to make the award? Yes, you want to announce?
Okay.
Right, so.
Hello. So I announce the IROS Toshio Fukuda Young Professional Award. Okay. Dr. Patrick Wensing, University of Notre Dame. In here. So this certificate is presented to the individual in recognition of contribution to the control of dynamic legged robot locomotion and wearable lower limb robot. Okay, so this is signed by Shigeki Sugano, Chair, IROS Steering Committee Chair, also Tony Maciejewski, Chair, IROS Award Committee. Congratulations. Cheetah robot. Congratulations.
Next is the IROS Fellows announcement. So the IROS Fellows are to recognize an individual who has performed outstanding leadership and service to the IEEE RSJ International Conference on Intelligent Robots and Systems. We have already 15 fellows that are here. Kunichi Asano, Hirofumi Tashiro, Gunther Schmidt, Sugiro Arimoto, Volker Graf, TJ Tarn, Hyung-Suk Cho, Fumio Harashima, Christian Logier, Masakatsu Fujie, Tamio Arai, Rudiger Dillman, Anibal Dalmeida, Bill Hamill, and Toshio Fukuda. And the newest member of the IEEE Fellows is Professor Paolo Dario. And so that's it for the general IROS awards. I'm going to hand it back over to Yolanda for the IROS 2023 specific awards. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't realize you were here.
Okay, so we're now going to move to the IROS 2023 Conference Awards. And again, just a quick announcement before we begin. If you're one of the finalists, try to be in the front as much as possible. In case you are the winner, come to stage to receive your certificate. So just a quick overview about the process for selecting the awards for the conference. We had, from the entire pool of papers accepted, we had selected some criteria for the papers that would be eligible for different award categories. And the criteria this year was that papers had at least an A rating from the editor or the associate editor, and at least a B+ rating by the editor or associate editor, and at least one of the Best Paper Award recommendations by any of the reviewers, editor, or associate editor. This little checkbox in Paper Plaza that when you review a paper you can mark. And so this made the papers in this pool that fit this criteria. These were the top 6% of all the IROS accepted papers. And the process was conducted in such a way that the nomination part of the process and the selection part were independent, so they were by different people. So in the nomination phase, we asked the special sponsor IROS Conference Award chairs to nominate papers for the Best Student and Best Overall Paper Award categories, and the awards committee members that would then elect the Best Student and Best Paper Awards to do the same. And then in the selection phase, the special conference award chairs and their respective subcommittee decided among the top finalists the winner for their respective category, and the awards committee members and myself decided on the Best Student Paper and Best Paper Awards of the conference. If you are in any of the awards committee members, as awards chair or awards committee member, and if you are in the room, it would be really good if you can stand up so you receive a round of applause for your hard work in this process. So, yeah, please. There's more. Okay. Just thank you, everyone. Okay, so we move on to the special sponsored category awards, and we will start by the IROS Best Paper Award on Cognitive Robotics that aims to promote interdisciplinary research on cognition for technical systems and advancement of cognitive robotics in industry, home applications, and daily life. This award is sponsored by the Korea Robotics Society, and the winner will receive $1,000 and a certificate. Unfortunately, none of the committee members could be here, so I will announce this award. So the finalists for this award were Easy Gaze 3D, towards effective and flexible 3D gaze estimation from a single RGB camera, team coordination on graphs with state-dependent edge cost, is weekly supervised action segmentation ready for human-robot interaction? No. Let's improve it with action unit learning. Exploiting spatial temporal human-object relations using graph neural networks for human action recognition and 3D motion forecasting, and extracting dynamic navigation goal from natural language dialogue. And the winner is extracting dynamic navigation goal from natural language dialogue. So if any of the authors is around, please come to stage to receive your certificate. Do we have any of the authors here? Okay, so your certificate will be sent digitally later. The next award is the IROS Best RoboCup Paper Award, sponsored by the RoboCup Federation. And I want to highlight that this category includes awards not just for robot soccer, but also with applications for the RoboCup at Home competition. So the winners will receive a $1,000 and a certificate, and I'll ask Professor Raymond Shea to come join me on stage and announce the winner. And while we do that, I'll just announce the finalists. So we have anytime, anywhere, human arm pose smartwatch data for ubiquitous robot control and teleoperation, effectively rearranging heterogeneous objects on cluttered tabletops, prioritized planning for target-oriented manipulation via hierarchical stacking relationship prediction, and sequential neural barriers for scalable dynamic obstacle avoidance.
And the winner of the Best RoboCup related paper award is Sequential Neural Barriers for Scalable Dynamic Obstacle Avoidance. Congratulations. I guess we'll send that one digitally as well.
Yes. Okay, so, oh, there are winners here. Great, so we have winners. Raymond, there's winners. Congratulations. There's a picture. Okay. Congratulations. So we move on to the IROS Best Paper Award on Robot Mechanisms and Design, sponsored by Robotis. And the goal of this award is to foster the development of innovative mechanisms and designs for the next generation of robots. It's sponsored by Robotics, and winners will receive a $1,000 certificate and a certificate. Professor Claudio Semini will join me on stage to announce the winner. In the meantime, I'll just read the finalists. So we have swashbucklerless elevon actuation for a dual-rotor tail-seater UAV, hybrid tendon and ball chain continuous robots for enhanced dexterity in medical interventions, co-design of robots via concurrent network coupling online and offline reinforcement learning, collision-free reconfiguration planning for variable topology trusses using a linking invariant, and finally, eViper, a scalable platform for untethered modular soft robots.
It's my pleasure to announce the winner. The winner is swashblade-less elevon actuation for a dual-rotor tail-sitter VTOL UAV. I ask the winners to come forward.
Okay, so next we have the IROS Best Paper Best Entertainment and Amusement Paper Award. And the goal of this award is to recognize practical technology contributing to toys, toy models, and amusement culture. The sponsor of this award is the Japan Toy Culture Foundation. The winners will receive $1,000 and a certificate. And Professor Shigeki Sugano from Waseda University and also the board director of Japan Toy Culture Foundation will be here with me on stage to announce the winner. The finalists were Double B, a hybrid aerial ground robot with 2 active wheels, polynomial-based online planning for autonomous drone racing in dynamic environments, and bistable tensegrity robot with jumping repeatability based on rigid plate shape compressors.
The winner is WB, a hybrid aerial ground robot with 2 active wheels. Congratulations. There is a cash 1,000 US dollars. Please ask them to have some dinner.
Congratulations. The next award is the IROS Best Paper Award on Safety, Security, and Rescue Robotics in memory of Motohiro Kizois. And this award aims to promote advanced research on safety, security, and rescue robotics. The award is sponsored by the International Rescue System Institute, and the winner will receive 100,000 Japanese yens and a certificate. Professor Fumitsushi Matsuno will be here with me on stage to announce the winner. The finalists for this award were Towards Legged Locomotion on Steep Planetary Terrain, Global Localization in Unstructured Environments using Semantic Object Maps built from various viewpoints, EELS, Towards Autonomous Mobility in Extreme Environments with a novel large-scale screw-driven snake robot, McClary, a shape-morphing insect-scale robot capable of omnidirectional terrain-adaptive locomotion in laterally confined spaces, and multi-IMU proprioceptive odometry for legged robots.
Okay. Winner is MCLARI, a shape-morphing insect-scale robot capable of omnidirectional terrain adaptive locomotion in laterally confined spaces. Congratulations. Okay, thank you.
The next award is the IROS Best Paper Award on Agricultural Robotics, sponsored by Myanmar. This award encourages research in agricultural robotics, and it's sponsored by Myanmar Holdings. The prize will be $1,000, a scaled model tractor, and a plaque. Professor Hisashi Sugiura will be on stage with me to announce the winner. The finalists for this award were online self-supervised thermal water segmentation for aerial vehicles, relative roughness measurement based on real-time speed planning for autonomous vehicles on rugged road, and visual spatial geometry preserved place recognition for cross-view and cross-modal collaborative perception.
Okay, the winner is visual spatial geometric preserved place recognition for cross-view and cross-modal collaborative perception. Congratulations.
The next award is the Best Paper Award on Mobile Manipulation, sponsored by Omron. This award aims to promote research on mobile manipulation. I will have Professor Kensuke Harada and Masashi Hamaya from Omron to announce the winner. And the finalists for this category were Placing by Touching, an empirical study on the importance of tactile sensing for precise object placing, a perching and tilting aerial robot for precise and versatile power tool work on vertical walls, efficient object manipulation planning with Monte Carlo tree search, sequential manipulation planning for over-actuated UAMs, and on the design of region-avoiding metrics for collision-safe motion generation on Riemannian manifolds.
And the winner is a perching and tilting area robot for precise and versatile power to work on the vertical walls. Congratulations. And the award is presented by Masashi Hamaya on behalf of the President.
Next, we have IROS Best Application Paper Award sponsored by IROS. This award aims to encourage the development of robot application systems, and actually this IROS has been presented the award for Best Application Paper since 2002. The winner will receive $1,000 and a certificate. And Professor Si-Hon Oh from the Department of Robotics and Mechatronics of DGIST will be here with me to announce the winner. The finalists were Autonomous Robot Drilling System for Mice Cranial Window Creation, an evaluation with an egg model, Visual Tactile Sensor Enabled Pneumatic Device towards a compliant oropharyngeal swab sampling, Improving Amputee Endurance over Activities of Daily Living with a Robot Knee Ankle Prosthesis, a case study, Dynamic Hand Proprioception via a wearable glove with fabric sensors, Active Capsule System for Multiple Therapeutic Patch Delivery, Preclinical Evaluation.
Yes, and the winner is Autonomous Robotic Drilling System for Mice Cranial Window Creation, an evaluation with an egg model. Congratulations.
Next, we have IROS Best Paper Award for Industrial Robotics Research for Applications. This award aims to promote robotics research for practicality, which includes but not limited to fundamental and systems-oriented research with high potential for industries. This award is sponsored by Mugin, and the winner will receive a $1,000 and a certificate. I will have Professor Kazuhiro Kosugi here with me to present the winner. And the finalists for the category this year were Learning Contact-Based State Estimation for Assembly Tasks, Bagging by Learning to Singulate Layers Using Interactive Perception, Exploiting the Kinematic Redundancy of a Back-Drivable Parallel Manipulator for Sensing During Physical Human-Robot Interaction, and Towards Closed-Loop Additive Manufacturing, Paradigm Shift in Fabrication, Inspection, and Repair.
So the winner goes to toward closed-loop additive manufacturing, a paradigm shift in fabrication, inspection, and repair. The authors are, this paper is co-authored by Manpreet Singh, Fujin Luan, Albert Xu, Yuchen Wu, Arshit Lungar, Luyan Wang, Kevin Song, how we chose it, and Luli. And I forgot to mention the award money is going to send to you by the conference organizers later, okay?
And finally, we will announce the winners for the ABB Best Student Paper and the Best Overall Paper Award of the conference. And for that, Professor Jim Schmidler, who is the General Chair of IROS 2023, will be here with me to announce the winners. So the winners of these awards, the Best Student Paper will receive a $1,000 certificate, and the Best Overall Paper will receive $2,000 and a certificate. And this was the committee who was a part of the decision process of this award after it's been the nomination being by the other members of the awards committee. So the finalists for this year were Learning Contact-Based State Estimation for Assembly Tasks, Swash Plateless Elevon Actuation using a Dual Rotor Tail-Seater VTOL UAV, Towards-Legged Locomotion on Steep Planetary Terrain, Decentralized Swarm Trajectory Generation for LiDAR-based aerial tracking in cluttered environments, Open Vocabulary Affordance Detection in 3D Point Clouds, Discovering Symbolic Adaptation Algorithms from Scratch, and there's another page, Autonomous Power Line Inspection with Drones via Perception-Aware MPC, Parallel Cell Array Patterning and Target Cell Lease on and on optoelectronic microwell device, Controlling Power Prosthesis Kinematics over Continuous Transitions between Walk and Stair Ascent, FATROP, a fast constrained optimal control problem solver for robot trajectory optimization and control, Gel Sight Svelte, a human finger-shaped single-camera tactile robot finger with large sensing coverage and proprioceptive sensing, and shape servoing of a soft object using Fourier series and a physics-based model.
And the winner of the ABB Best Student Paper Award is Controlling Powered Prosthesis Kinematics over Continuous Transitions between Walk and Stair Ascent. And the winner of the Best Paper Award is Autonomous Power Line Inspection with Drones via Perception-Aware MPC. Before I leave the stage, Yolanda certainly recognized all of our tremendous awards committee members for their hard work, but I would like to invite everyone to recognize Yolanda Late for her outstanding leadership as the awards chair for IROS 2023.
And again, congratulations to all the paper finalists, winners, and just some small logistics now. If you're one of the winners and you didn't receive your monetary prize yet, you will be contacted by the IEEE to receive your monetary prize by wire transfer. The award finalists for the Best RoboCup paper, Best Agricultural Robotics, and Best Entertainment can come by the main stage to collect your finalist certificates now. And the other categories, we will email you your certificates digitally in the next week or so. So congratulations again, and hope to see you in IROS next year.